Welcome. In this video, we write a JavaScript function to generate all combinations of characters in a string. It is a great exercise for understanding bitwise operations. The task is to take a string like dog and generate every possible combination of its characters without repetition. These include both single letters and combinations like do, og, and dog. We use a binary approach to systematically include or exclude each character. This function uses bitwise logic to find the combinations. Convert the string to an array and loop through 2 to the power of n possibilities using a binary counter. If a bit is set in position, we include the character. The result is stored in an array and printed all at once. Each number from 1 to 2 to the power of n minus 1 is treated like a binary mask. For every 1 bit in the number, we include the corresponding character. By iterating through these combinations, we generate all possible subsets. It is the clever and efficient use of bitwise operations. Here's how the function works for the string dog. Each binary number maps to a unique selection of characters. This ensures that every non-empty combination is generated exactly once. It is predictable, efficient, and avoids duplicate logic. This kind of string manipulation is useful in a wide range of applications, from generating passwords to test data for systems. We'll see similar logic used in autocomplete tools and recursive challenges. Now, let's wrap up with a summary. We took a basic string and used binary logic to generate every possible subset. It is a creative use of bitwise operations to manipulate string data. You can reuse this for more advanced tasks like permutations or combinations. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.